You want to start speaking simple Igbo today. In the next few minutes, you will learn 50 common Igbo words every beginner should know, including family words, greetings, simple expressions, and action words you can start using immediately. Whether you are Igbo, diaspora, or curious about this language, this lesson is for you. Let's begin. Welcome to So Igbo. Simple Igbo made easy. I am Oloma. Let's learn together. All right. Let's start with some greetings and simple expressions. Ndewo, hello. Ndewo, hello. Kedu, how are you? Kedu, how are you? Dalo, thank you. Dalo, thank you. Ndo, sorry. Ndo, sorry. Biko, please. Biko, please. God, later. God, later. Mgbede ọma, good evening. Mgbede ọma, good evening. Ụtụtụ ọma, good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma, good morning. Ọ dị mma, it is well. Ọ dị mma, it is well. Ehihie ọma, good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Let's talk about family and people words. Nna, father. Nna, father. Nne, mother. Nne, mother. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwoke, man. Nwoke, man. Nwanyị, woman. Nwanyị, woman. Nwa, child. Nwa, child. Enyi, friend. Enyi, friend. Onye, person. Onye, person. Di, husband. Di, husband. Nwunye, wife. Nwunye, wife. Here are some everyday action words. Ije, to walk. Ije, to walk. Iri, to eat. Iri, to eat. Ịṅụ, to drink. Ịṅụ, to drink. Ịhụ, to see. Ịhụ, to see. Ịmụ, to learn. Ịmụ, to learn. Ịkụzi, to teach. Ịkụzi, to teach. Ịga, to go. Ịga, to go. Ịrụ, to walk. Ịrụ, to walk. Ịzụta, to buy. Ịzụta, to buy. Ịkpọ, to call. Ịkpọ, and finally, some simple expressions. A, yes. A, yes. Mba, no. Mba, no. Gị, you. Gị, you. Mụ, them. Anyị, us. Anyị, us. Anyị niile, all of us. Anyị niile, all of us. Ebe, place. Ebe, place. Mgbe, time, are some daily things you will hear often. Ụlọ, house. Ụlọ, house. Ụzọ, road. Ụzọ, road. Mmiri, water. Mmiri, water. Nri, food. Nri, food. Akwụkwọ, book. Akwụkwọ, book. Akwa, cloth. Akwa, cloth. Ego, money. Ego, money. Ụlọ akwụkwọ, school. Ụlọ akwụkwọ, school. Now, tell me in the comments, which of these words do you already know? Comment your answers and follow So Igbo for simple Igbo lessons. Simple Igbo every day.